Kasi ang pamilya de Guzman, lahat kami natutuwa talaga. But what's one thing that you could say na, uy, we really broke that limit right there? Anyone could answer.
I feel like the network war. I'm strong enough to say we broke that kasi as collaboration of both GMA and ABS, we did a family because of TVT. So feel ko yun talaga yung break namin.
That is so true. Esnir, you would love to answer.
Siyempre, yung mga pag-perform kami dito, ay sila lang pala. Pero yung mga kompleto kami dito, as a family sa Mall of Asia Arena! Oh, wow. Sobrang supportive naman.
Umiyaw naman ba kayo?
Yes.
Well, we got a lot of moments later on, no? Pero alam niya, sobrang ang tagal ko nang gustong sabihin to. You guys, kahit nakalabas na kayo from the Big Brother house, naging parte naman kayo ng bawat tahanan ng bawat Pilipino. Kaya maraming salamat. We'll be seeing more of them later on. Ladies and gentlemen, being part of the Acer family, malaba po natin our next PBB Collab Housemates. We'll be seeing more of you guys later on. Thank you. Our PDG or extended PDG.